Look at this beautiful brand new house. Ladies and gentlemen, another new construction sold. Let's go ahead and take a look. Just closed on this house this morning. Nice dining room, open concept, living room, kitchen. Look at this. Fireplace, gas. It's gonna be nice just in time for winter. Granite countertops, new cabinets. There's nothing better than buying a new construction. If we take a look here, we actually have a first floor bedroom with a full bath on this level, which is always great. I like this kitchen. New construction, well, you can't tell in the videos how good it smells in here. Let's go take a look upstairs. So you have a primary bedroom on the first level. That way, if you ever have people stay over or your family, they can sleep right down there. New gleaming hardwood floors. Master bedroom this way, but let's take a look at this and then we'll go in master. You have a his and her sink and a full bath right at the top of the stairs. One bedroom in there. Another bedroom in here. These are going to be the kids' bedrooms. These kids are really excited. And you have an office space. Attic space upstairs. This will be your laundry room. If you wanted to finish, you have extra room. And you have a nice big basement downstairs. Let's take a look at the best room, which is the master. Look at this closet. This closet's basically another bedroom. Hers. We're gonna do new built-ins in here. And obviously custom tile, shower, stand-up shower, all custom tile. This is a nice place. If you're looking for a property that you can make your own new construction, give us a call.